Hey, it's Doug from Backcountry Pilgrim, a channel that just surpassed 10,000 subscribers. I am so thankful for you all and humbled that you are willing to watch me talk about hiking and backpacking and the gear that goes with it. I'm so excited that I am doing a giveaway. The giveaway is going to be for these trekking poles. These are the Olife Beam Walk T3 lighted trekking poles. Why would you want a lighted trekking pole, you ask? Well, I will get to that in a minute. First, let's go over the specs of these things. The Olife Beamwalk T3s are 7075 aluminum trekking poles. Other than the light, these are pretty standard trekking poles. They've got a great top grip, because sometimes I use these as like canes when I'm going forward down something really steep. They feel very good in the hand, no blisters, nothing like that. They come with lightweight, comfortable, and adjustable straps, and the grips are EVA foam, both the top grip and the lower grip, for using if you're going up a steep hill so that you don't have to adjust the pole mid-hike. The adjustments of the poles are metal flip locks instead of the little twisty kind, and they come with standard tips plus a couple of basket attachments. But of course, the thing that really makes these poles stand out is their light. What are you going to do with this sort of thing? Well, let's talk about it. The Olife Beamwalk T3s come with a 360-degree LED light that wrap around the poles right under the grip. These lights are controlled by a simple power button up here that doesn't accidentally get pressed. You got to kind of dig in a little bit to get it on, and then you simply hold it to adjust it. The T3s come in 4 light modes. A white light that has a smooth high-low setting, and a red light that can be solid or flashing. The white light can vary from 30 to 120 lumens and will last from 3 to 13 hours depending on how bright the light is. The poles also have a special motion mode where they will automatically shut off every 5 minutes if they are not moving and go into a red flashing light mode so that they can be found or just alert you that the light is still on. Now, this light is powered by 1300 milliamp batteries right here in the lid of the grip. They snap right back on, and they can be replaced with some ultralight grips that come with them if you don't want the lights. That's going to save you 2.3 ounces and bring the pole from 21.5 ounces to 19.2. The poles are also IPX6 rated, so they will handle streams of water but not submersion. Okay, so what is the point of having a light on the pole? Well, probably the most obvious is that it will help you see a bit better when you're walking. Now, having a light shining right down at your feet isn't necessarily going to be the most helpful thing. However, even though you certainly wouldn't want to rely on the light in these trekking poles to get you out of a situation where you are maybe lost in the dark, they are a good addition to a headlight or a standard flashlight. My interest in these came more from the fact that I am kind of going back and forth between some trekking pole tents lately, and I got thinking, wouldn't it be great if I had some lights built into the trekking poles holding the tent up? So this way, as I'm getting ready to go to bed at night or getting up in the morning, I can click one or both poles on, depending on how the tent is set up, and I've got some built-in light in a very convenient place. So those are the Olife Beamwalk T3 lighted trekking poles. You can win a pair as a part of my 10,000 subscriber giveaway. How do you do it? Just leave a comment on this video below. Say something like, hey, congratulations on 10K. I'd like to win the trekking poles. And in 24 hours from the time this video drops, I will have a winner randomly chosen from those comments. I will post the name of the winner on the community tab of the channel page. If you are a subscriber and you do not have that bell clicked for notifications, you will not be told when community posts go up. You should do that, because sometimes I do giveaways just on the community tab. Plus, it's a cool place to put things up in between major video drops. The winner will have 24 hours to email me at backcountrypilgrim@gmail.com with their contact information, especially including name and mailing address. Sorry, but the contest is only good for those who live in the continental United States. If the winner of the trekking poles has not reached out to me within 24 hours of the announcement, I will choose another winner and put their name up on the community tab, and we will continue on until a winner claims their prize by emailing me. Again, thank you all so much for watching this channel, and until next time, I'm Doug. Thanks for watching.